It's a $10,000 grant from the state, and $7,000 of it is for overtime for additional police officers, like you said, to be on the road, enforcing primarily seatbelts. Yeah, day shift. I work day shift.
Okay.
8 to 4. This is a overtime shift from 4 to 8. We're expected to make as many stops during that 4-hour period as possible. The speed limit's 30, and it's 30 for a good reason, because the high school's Furnace-Brook Middle School is only, a few hundred yards up the street. So primarily tonight we're looking for seatbelts, but seatbelt is a secondary offense. Now you can give them a warning on the speeding, and you can basically find the primary violation, maybe speeding, maybe stop sign, maybe red light, marked lanes. It could be anything. There has to be some sort of other violation that go along with it.